Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will continue from our previous session. You can download sample code here at this website. And the title of this session is Extend the Language Choice Dialog Box. And you can download complete source code here. And in our session, we will use this page. In previous session, we used at this page actually, but in this session, we will extend more code page files, code page identifiers. You can refer to this website. If you want to find this website in the Google search, window code page, then select code page identifiers, then you can have this web page here. We will use these code pages to convert from ANSI text to Unicode format. This list is more exhaustive than this file. I mean this way. Okay, let's get started. At the end of session, we will see program like this, and if we select for open Japanese text, for example Japanese ANSI code, then a dialog box opens like this, and you can select the language, the conversion that best describes most successful conversions, like this Korean Mac or Japanese. Let's see, Japanese here. Japanese. Here it is. Japanese. This is not correct. You can say not this one. Japanese. This one. This is Korean. Let's see, this one, Japanese. This is correct, then click OK, then the file will be opened like this. This is ANSI text, Japanese ANSI text, and we can open Unicode, Japanese Unicode text like this. And if we open Korean text, for example, if we open Korean text, Korean ANSI text, it will give us, this is not ANSI actually. If it says long Korean text, it will give dialog boxes like this. Then we can select proper Korean conversion. Then clicking OK will give us Korean text will be loaded successfully. At the end of session, we will extend this dialog box. I mean file encoding choice dialog box. Okay, let's get started. From previous session, I will copy the solution and rename it to 003. We will start from our previous session like this. I will start another instance of Visual Studio and open the solution. This one I just copied. Okay. Now right click the solution. We will add one more project, new project. CLR, select CLR class library here. I will name it CLR NC handler. I will name CLR NC handler. It should be CLR project class library. Okay. Now we are going to add it, and because we don't need it, we will remove delete. Also we don't need it, we will delete, remove, delete. And we are selecting in the solution again, right click, add. No, we are in class view, right click, add class. We will name it CLR select window CLR user control. I will name it NC NC handler. I will name like this. Click add. Okay. Save all, then close it. And we open it again. Here in solution view. Right click, double click it. Then it opens. And make it extend like this. A little bit bigger. Save it. In the toolbox and container, we will table layout like this and make it a little bit bigger. Sorry. Scroll, pull it down a little bit like this. I will name this control in here, property page. I will name it to I will name it anything, just like language NC table panel. I actually don't need it, but I will just name it like this and save it. I will drag and drop another toolbox. Here now data, then data grid view, drag and drop here at this side, and I will name it here select call span 2 like this. Then make it bigger and select here and dock in parent container like this. Then select this one, or you can right click here at this point, NC handler, select NC handler. We will make it double purport. Okay, then here select this again. I will name it to something else. Scroll down. Let me see here. I will name it I will try to make it identical with my project I prepared in advance. Okay, I will just name it NC data grid view. I will name like this and save it. Here click this button. We are going to add edit column. The first column will be CLM column index. I will name it index, but this is not important. I will make it not visible. Okay, I will add another column, CLM column. It should be language, 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 and the column name will be language, language, like this. It should be visible. Add the last column will be CLM and NC text. I will say NC text like this. Close it. Here this should be, I will make it a little bit bigger. This should be not visible, false true. Then read only true, and resizable false. And sorting mode, this is important. It should not be sorted. Okay, it should not be sorted. Okay, then the next we select language. We do the same. It should be visible. This one will be visible. And read only true and resizable true. Sort mode, no, not sortable. And make it 240 something like this. Then select this one. Entity visible true, read only true, and resizable true, automatic not sortable. Then here auto size mode, select fill. Then here you can give, it's not important because automatically fills. At the end we will have dialog, we will have like this, and we are going to put save it. Then dialog box again. We are going to add two buttons. Windows command control here, buttons, drag and drop here, and I will make it cancel like here, but button text, and btn. Okay, let me see, btn. Okay, I will name it like this, and the text should be, the button caption should be okay. Well, it is. Oh, this is caption. I will just say this and scroll down. This should be btn. Okay, like this, and drag it. Select this here, and we are making it anchor. No, docking. Select like this, docking fill, save it, and we are making another button here, toolbox, drag and drop here, and button name will be btn cancel, and the caption will be cancel, of course, cancel, cancel, and the docking, dock will be fill, this one, save it. Now you can select here, right click and select NC table layout here. I will make some changes here. How can I change this? At this point, select row, edit row. Can I? Here I select table layout. Then here, add row. I will edit row or columns here. I will select row. Then the first one will be 50%. I can make it 90%, for example. 90%, and I will make it second row like 10%. Sorry, just 10%. Then it will be 90%. Then let's see again. Oh, 90%, 10%. Okay. Now select this one again. Right click, panel, here, double click it. Then you can say fill in contents, docking. Scroll down, docking here, and click this one. Okay, save it. Now we designed this dialog box. We will use it, save it, and right click, build project. We are building this project. Please note that we are using version 4.5.2, and it gives me some warning. It's not actually warning, but I can disable it. Right click it, select here, link probably, general options, debug, probably link debug system here. It gives me error messages debugging. Here, past link debug. In debug build, apply. And release build, we don't need debugging informations. Click save. Okay. Then let's build again. Build just compile this project again. Okay, it gives no error messages. Save it. Now we are turning our attention to this project. We need to make it CLR compatible. Click the in Solution Explorer. Click this here. Select General. You need to enable it to CLR. Click Apply. Then in Linker, in C++ General, no, code generation. In code generation, click Enable Minimal Build. It should be this option. Click Apply. It should also include release. So debug build and release. Okay. No. In debug, it should also be like this. Then we can select all, actually, all configuration. Then here in linker general, debugging. In debugging build, we don't need this one. In debugging build, we can just select this one, apply. In release build, we don't need debugging. Okay. Let's build it. We are compiling code editor only. Okay. Let's compile again. We build. So we have some error messages. Cannot open this file. What's the problem? I will fix this one first. Here it should be from size t to int. This should be int probably, like this. And this one too, this should be from int to should be int. And another one, this should be from int to size t. And this one too should be int. Save it. Let me check why this code is problem. It's probably be using some errors. Let me check. Oh, sorry. I think I forgot copying. This file was not copied from our previous solution. RES file was deleted. I guess I deleted them inadvertently. I deleted it here. I will copy it from another one. I backed up. Here, let me check. Here, I will rename it. Extract here. I have to copy this one. I removed this one inadvertently here. Sorry. Paste. Okay, now we can compile again. Rebuild project. Yes, it's now working. It compiled successfully. Let's run it. Yes, this is our previous state. I will close it. And I will compile once again. Rebuild all solution. Rebuild solution project all solution. Okay, everything compiled, everything built successfully. Now we are going to add a reference to this project. Right click, add a reference in the Solution Explorer. Click it. This won't work. Oh, what's the problem? How come it works? Let's see. It should not work. I'm probably using wrong solution. So okay, I will close it. To use that, actually, I have to make changes here. Here, like a project. I have to add in this project. Here. It should not work, actually. I have to add here. Open project, right click. Open it. Here, scroll down. I have to copy this text, otherwise it should not add actually reference here. I have to paste it here like this. Save them all. Sorry. I will close them. No. 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 I will save them. Okay, I saved them all. No, not this one. Here I open that solution again. Solution 3. Okay. Okay, let's go. So if you cannot add a reference handler, you have to change that again. Okay, so we are going, let's build once again to make sure we build. Okay, it's building like 4.5.2. Okay, now we are going to add some dialog boxes. We are going to create dialog boxes in the resource view. Click it, code, dialog. Here we are going to add, I will close it for the time being. Right click, add insert dialog. A dialog box added, inserted. Here in toolbox. And I will remove it. I will remove this button there. Also this button. I will save them. And I will put a static control like this, drag and drop. Make it bigger, a little bit bigger. Click it and open property window like this. Here I will name it static. Let me check. I can name it anything actually, but I will check my other project I prepared in advance. Okay, I named it data grid view. Data grid view. I named like this. Save it. And we saved it. We can add here in Dialogbox, selecting Dialogbox, I will change the title. I will change it to the dialog editor like data. No, I will name it NC text preview. I will say it NC text preview. Here, NC text preview. Actually, I can name it anything. Save it. Then scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Caption. Caption will be select a language. I will just name that like this, and I will make it resizable. To make that resizable border, say select resizing like this. Save it. Then we can right click, add class wizard, add a class probably. Then see how I named it. Let me check. C. Okay, C DLG NC file. I named like this. Finish. Okay, save it. Save them all, and we will close for the time being. We are going to host this CLR control in our application. To do that, we need to add some more things here. Double click it. Scroll down here. Here I will add include AFX win form control. Okay, win forms. Save it. Then we saved it. Then in class view, I will add one more file in header file section. I will create a folder. This is our solution folder currently. Solution folder. Here as solution folder here, I will create include. We will access this folder here. And I'm going to add one file. Select this is our solution folder right now. Select include the folder we just made. Select this, and it will be CLR alias. Then head files. Okay, we are going to add some alias here, and then in the class view again. Let me see. We are going to host this file here. See, NC handler here. To do that, in the dialog box we just created, double click it here, and here we will add public C winform C win forms control, like, sorry, C win, let me check, it should be C win forms control and CLR NC. Why is not C WinForms control NC? Okay, we will compile. We will build it again. Save it. We will rebuild. Okay. Say in reference, we will delete it. Delete, then add reference again. Okay. Save it. Then here again, C Win Forms. I think it should give us some CLR and C handler and C handler M and C handler like this. Let's build class view. Rebuild. Failed. Support requires CLR. I think I added the CLR options. CLR general common language runtime support. Oh, release debug. Oh no. Okay. Then we build again. Rebuild. Okay, it's working. Save it. I will disable this link error, link warning. Copy it. Then here, linker, command line, select all configuration, ignore, colon, paste. Save it. Oh, now build once again. Okay, now it's working. Say I will close it. I will make font a little bit smaller like this. And here we are going to add, we have to add some message handlers for this. To do that, before we do that, I will change to the exchange here to the exchange, and it should be DDX manage it control and CLR NC handler colon like this, and PDX IDC. This is the control we are going to use to map. This should be here. It should be IDC data grid view Why it changed to 1? No. Here. Here. Then this and NC handler. Okay, and NC handler we added here. NC handler. Okay. Save it. Then here again we will add init properties here. No, this one override init dialog, initialize dialog. We'll click it. Okay, we will try to run all application if it's working anyway. Let's try it. The solution view. I will close all files. Then run. Build and run. F5. Shit. Here. One mistake I made. Semicolon. Okay. Control F5. Okay, it's working. Now we have to open the dialog box. We are going to open the dialog box. To do that, class view again. Doc files. Here, serialize. We are going to change this one. Boom. Need and nuance here. We will going to add the dialog box. CDLG. What's the dialog box name? CDLG NC file. CDLG NC file. DLG. We of course have to we have to include here. Include DLG and file, save it, go back here again, here, and DLG to modal. Okay, now let's build and run. Open. Okay, we have this dialog box now. We will change this. Here. And in the class view again. Here. I will add a message handler. WM resize, WM size here, on size. Here we are setting if is window this and NC handler get safe wind. Then we can do this here. This NC handler move window. RECT. To do that, we need to create a lag. This get client lag. Okay, let's see. here, NC, no, here, long Korean. We now have this dialog box. See, it increases and decreases right now. Cancel, but initially it's not done properly. To do that, initially, resource view, right click, and we make it initially big enough, like this. Save it. Then let's run. Japanese NC. Now we have dialog boxes like this. Much better. We are going to use this dialog box now. We will fill out. Before we do that, let's go back to this dialog box. We will add a member function, member data variable here. Size t m index. I will name like this. I will add another string. Constant character pointer mstr mstr. I will name like this. Save them, copy them. In the constructor here, we will add them this. mstr null ptr, and I will make it by default this -1 default values. I will set like this. Then we are going to use this, and we can say dlg mstr. We can put this text, for example. Sorry. Like cat, we can put like this, but we will not do this for the time being. I will make a function to this dialog box. It will be called I will name it to here. It will be void. I will name it as void. No. Before I do this, I will add message handler here. To add message handler, we will use, I will make some alias, sorry. Here, right click, copy this, and we added this file. Let's see, we added this file here. I will copy it. Then name space win forms like this. And type df system object clr object. Type df system string clr string like this. Then type df win forms data, data, grid, view, CLR, data, grid, view. I will name like this. Windows Forms. Save it. Then I will add one handler here. No, right click. No, not code view. Here. And why it has squiggle? I will name it. I will here. Right click. View code. Here again. And I will copy this. Windows Forms. I will copy it. I probably had a mistake here. I will name like this. System Windows Form. Let me check. WinForm System Windows Forms. System Windows Forms. Namespace. Okay. Okay. I will copy some text from that I prepared in advance. These are not very important, but these are handy. I just renamed some mappings. Okay, I will save them. For example, system string is like type def to CLR string, and Windows Forms it can be like WinForms. WinForms. I simply type def like this. WinForms. WinForms button. It's a CLR button. I will save them. It should work actually. Then close it. I will add it to here. Here. And include CLR. Sorry. We have to add here pass. And C++ here or compilation. Include like this. We also need here right click, include. Okay. Then we are accessible the file CLR alias. Okay. Now save this. Then scroll down at the bottom here. Public. And I will get CLR data grid view here. It should be handle get. I also prepared in advance. I will copy them. Header file, view source. I prepared these in advance. These are simply returning the data grid view that we created. I am not sure this is the correct one. And see, data grid view returns. We added two buttons, cancel and btn. Okay, if you want to check it, this btn. Okay, this one. And these are also I defined in previously. Let's compile. If it compiles successfully, right click, build project. Okay, I copied this text. Now let's see output. What's going on? Succeeded. How can I see output? Okay. Here. Now we added these these methods. We are going to use them in our class here. We are going to use it from here. Double click it. Then we are going to add some message handler. The message handler should begin with, okay, I will type it. Begin, begin, begin delegate map, like this. C, we need this dialog box name here, like this. It should be and delegate map, like this. Then we are going to add message handler functions here, and to do that I will add more functions. Fabric, CLR void. It doesn't need to be like this. CLR void is something like just a void, system void, like this. On btn, okay, click, like this. Then CLR object, then CLR event, ARG event, ARGS, like this. We need to include one file here. Sorry, include alias CLR alias. Okay. Then the squiggle goes away. Then CLR void on btn cancel, CL cancel, click, like this. CLR object, CLR event, ARGS, like this. Then we have to enter these to here. It should be event, delegate, entry, then on btn, okay, click. We are listing this function, and its arguments are CLR object handler, CLR event, ARGS handle, like this. I will copy this one once again here. btn cancel, CANCEL, and the rest are the same. I will implement these here, copy, and here I will paste it here. Here, here, here. I have to now I implemented them. Here I will make simple message. btn, okay, clicked. I make simple message like this. btn cancel, clicked, like this. Save them. Save them. In the init dialog box, we have to list them here, and we have to list them. To do that, I will add one more functions. I will add one more function here. Double click it. Oh, why is giggles? Okay, I will add here one more function. This should be CLR data grid view. CLR. I will add one more function here. Is okay, CLR NC handler. I will type df here. Type def CLR NC handler. I will name like this. Then you can change it to something easier. And here, handler get NC handler return this and NC handler get object. No, get control. Get control. Okay, here we will name it like this. Why is giggles? It should be okay. I'll name like this. Then okay. Okay, let's compile it. No, this one. CLR NC handler HNC handler this get NC handler. Okay. Now let's build and try again. No, before we do that, we will register. How do we register our handler? Let's see. CLR button. btn. Okay, I will start with the button. Okay. NC HNC handler get okay. Get okay. btn okay. Okay. Then btn okay. Click. We are adding event handler make delegate here. Then CLR event handler. Then on btn okay. Click. Sorry. Okay. Click this one. Then we are adding another handler. btn cancel. It should be cancel. Cancel. Then get btn cancel. At this point, and btn cancel. Okay, cancel click. Okay, y squiggles. Okay, let's run anyway. Break. btn click is not a member of NC. Oh, I made him type here. Not this one. It should be on. See, I made him type here, and also made type here. Save it. Now F5. On btn. Okay, click is not. Let's see here. Okay, okay, cancel, cancel, save it. Why gives me an error message? Sorry. Here. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. Okay, now let's compile again. Okay, let's see the dialog box is working. No. No. I will open it. Long Korean. Okay, let's try. Message handler is working. Okay, message handler is working now. Let's take a break. I will take a break 10 minutes. Okay, I am back now, and we have done this part, and we will fill out a function. We will implement a function now in this file, header file. Fill those. Copy it here. Okay, here. Let me see. I copied a functions. If this str if this function is null means if this string is null means like this, return. It has nothing to do. And otherwise CLR NC handler again, NC handler this get NC handler, sorry, NC handler. At this point, we'll get CLR data grid view, NC data grid, NC handler get NC data grid, like this. I will close it. C string text unsigned int index. I will put it 0 for the time being. We are doing for loop, constant auto I. At this point, we are going to make a functions. We'll add include here character encoding. Character encoding. Character encoding this function here. I will create another function similar but different. Language code page language code page vector. Let me check my file I prepared in advance. It should be code page vector, okay, and it should be unsigned int. Like this. We will make this function I will remove lang like this. Copy, and in C header file here I will paste it. And this file is long list of files. I will copy and paste that I prepared in advance. Let's see. I prepared this file in advance. It's long list of language and code page. This is language, this is code page. Long list of code page prepared in advance. And this vector is returned. Code page vector is returned from this function. And I will implement another one. Another one will be, I will copy and paste and implement. Okay, I will copy and paste. I copied and pasted, and I will rename it to from MVS. Here will be unsigned int. I will name it to code page. Code page like this. and I will replace with code page. Okay, that's it. Save it. Then I will fill the functions. Here, coming back here again, we are going to fill this function. Cylinders get code phase vector like this. Text will be cylinders get MVS to CSTR. This will be this MSTR. This will be code page. I second is code page. I will make it bigger like this. And here, let's see, if txt get length not 0, CLR string CLR str tc new CLR string txt get string. Okay, CLR string then str tc new CLR string I first C string of this. Then NC data grid. We are adding rows. Add. The first will be index. What's this index? This index. Oh, I need to make another string here. Here index. Then length star. Then CLR string plus index. Here, save it. Let's check here in Dialogbox here. We are going to add fill rows. Fill rows like this. Save it. And here again, class view, doc serialize. Scroll down. Here. Now we are copying this text at this point. Here. Paste it here. DLG MSTR MSTR. It should be okay. Let's check. Let me see my code I prepared in advance. Serialize. PD. I'll make a constant here. Constant size t. Short line 50. For example, I can make it shorter. Any, for example, then we are making std unique ptr. It should be character and short text. We are making it smaller text. Character short line plus one per new line character, of course, like this. For null character, like this. Then we copy string from short text get buffer here short line. We define the short line here. Then lpsz text get, it returns buffer, then short line like this. Next, if short line less than n file size bytes, because this is long, I will change it to size t like this. I also change it to size t. Then short text short line null character, else short text size t and file size byte null character. Then here short text get. Okay, let me see. Then to modal. Okay, here to modal int ptr rlt. Okay, let's run and let's build and test it. Constant character int cannot convert argument size int to constant character. We need to put header file. We copy this. We need to put this header file. Control here. Like this. Now let's run again. Okay. No. not this one, this one. Now we have dialog box like this, and Korean being clicked. We will handle this one. Now let's see. I will close it. No, I will handle here. Here. Let me see. Dialogbox. Here. Okay, and okay clicked. And okay clicked. CLR, NC handler, NC handler, NC handler. This get NC handler. Then CLR data grid view. H data grid, NC handler, get NC data grid view. Okay, so CLR data grid view low, H low, H data grid view. You see current low like this. If H low is valid, it means not valid. Current low is not selected, then we put AFX message. Say please select a valid low. Then we return. We will set this M low index, low, say index, okay, index, -1. Then return. Else, otherwise CLR string, str index, H data grid view, sorry, and say H, current low, H low, here, cells, then L column index, we made it, view, value, to string. We convert to string. Let's check this value is if valid. Here. Here. CLM index, okay. So this is valid. Then we convert here this M index, index will be int to int32 str index. We are converting string to integer value. Then this and dialog and returns ID. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Now I will close it. Here, if cancel failed, you can simply this and dialog ID cancel. Okay, let's run. CLR, why it causes trouble. CLR string. Sorry, let me see. Sorry, it should be pass. P-A-R-S-C, pass. Sorry, it should be like this. Build, run. Okay, once again. It gives long list and successful. Cancel. It should now give the text, the index what we want in the dialog box. Here again, serial archive. Here, go back to there where you start. Here, I guess. Here. If RLT equals ID, okay, then we can continue. Here, let me check my file I prepared in advance. Here, RLT okay, then I will remove these. Previous code, I will remove them. Here. If ID okay, then IDX int index equals DLG and index. This will be valid at this point. And I can actually put this like not like this. Like this. I don't need it, right? Okay. Here and C string txt std vector std pair std w string, then unsigned int 2, then code page bctr cylinders get code page vector like this. Then txt will be cylinders once again, mbs2c string here, lpsj text get buffer, then code page bctr index second. Okay, at this point we now don't need lpsg text, we don't need it, so we can reset it. Reset. Then if text length, if txt get length greater than 0, then we can now finalize it. C code edit view preview equal reinterpret cast C code view editor here this MV list get head and like this here if preview then preview set window text txt. Okay, we have done. Now let's run. Here. Now scroll down, Korean. Shit. Some problems. I'll try again. Open. Japanese NC code. Japanese. Some problems, I guess. Probably index is not resolved properly. Go back here. No, not here. Let's see here. OK button. Fill pillows here. I think we made a mistake here. Ichiro is set. No, we made a mistake here. It should go here. Okay. Now let's run. Okay. Long Korean. Let's scroll down Korean. Okay, now let's try Japanese. Japanese NC text. We can make it bigger. Japanese. No, not Mac. Japanese. Where is Japanese? Here. It resolves. Okay. So this concludes our video tutorial for opening NC code page. I will try this. No, this is saved in Unicode format. For example, I will open a text editor like this. 한글 시험입니다. 저는 한국 사람입니다. I am Korean from South Korea. Like this. I will save it in NC code page. Save as NC I will test the NC Korean test. I have to save it in here because we are doing this. I will save it at here as Korean test. I will save it Unicode as well. Save. Then I will name it UCS test. Save it. Then save it as UTF-8. Then you can say UTF-8. Save it. Then we close it. Then here we are opening them from not here. 3. I'm testing with the NC Korean text first. Open it. Then I scroll down. I make it bigger. Let me see. Korean is resolved properly. It is Mac, Korean Mac system. Then Korean. This is Korean 완성 system, Windows platform. Okay, it opens like this. And in case of UTF-8 code, for example, UTF-8, it doesn't need it. It is Unicode system, so it naturally understands. And in Unicode UCS system, Unicode UCS, it also naturally understands. Only NC file, when you save files in NC format like this, we need to have conversions like this. Like Japanese. No. Japanese, this. It opens. So it's the same like Word format. If you open Word files and you import in Word, insert text box, for example, like this. Click OK. Save here. This is the tutorial page. If you select TXT format here, and if I open Korean test, NC test, it shows us dialog boxes like this with another settings. Then click OK, and I can open another Japanese text, for example, from text bar, Japanese, NC Japanese, like this. It opens Japanese format. It is pretty smart. Word is pretty smart. We can open like this. The same way we implemented dialog boxes. Unicode and NC code handling was done in this software. I will post this source code to my website, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I also enjoyed this video quite a lot. Making this video, it actually took quite considerable amount of time to prepare in advance, and I'm very sorry that I could not describe all the details. And some part I copy and pasted. For example, I actually prepared these functions in advance, and explaining these things can take quite a lot of time. For details, please refer to website about these functions provided by Windows. And I copy and pasted this text from Microsoft website. Let me check. From this website here, I copy and pasted this code to prepare this part. Actually, I copy and pasted. Thank you for watching.